Okay, for activity number 1, so the correct answer is the has been loading. Okay, for the crew, this is considered as 1. Okay, that's why it's singular and you will use has. Since we are in our perfect, simple perfect continuous, we will add been and loading ing for the word load. Okay, so the correct answer is has been. The crew has been loading cargo for hours. Okay, so for number 2, have here the ship blank navigate. I'm sorry, the ship blank through the fog since dawn. Okay, so what is the correct answer here? The ship is singular, only one. So we will use has. Okay, so navigate is the word, is the verb. We will add ing, right? So the correct answer is has been navigating. Okay, so the ship has been navigating through the fog since dawn. Okay? For number 3 example, it says that, okay, so assuming that there's one more diver at the back, okay, so the question is the divers blank the hull, this one, for damage all afternoon. So since we say divers, this is plural, we will use have. And since we are in perfect continuous, we will add been. And since if that's the case, we will add ing for inspect word. So the correct answer is yes. The divers have been inspecting the hull for damage all afternoon. Okay? For number 4. Okay, the radar blank small vessels in the area for some time now. Okay, again, radar, only one, considered as singular. So we will use has, yes. And for the present perfect continuous, we will add been, yes. And the form of the verb, the base form of the verb is detect. So, what is the correct answer? Of course, you will add ing. And since we are in present continuous form, this is the duration of time, sometime now. So the correct answer is yes, this is the radar. Of course, it has been detecting. The radar has been detecting small vessels in the area for some time now. Okay, last number 5. Okay, it says here that the engine room crew blank on the engine repairs all day. Okay, again, the engine room crew blank on the engine repairs all day. Here, assuming again that there's still one more engineer here working on the other side, but the only engineer we can see here is this one. So it says here that the engine room, this one, crew blank on the engine repairs all day. So the correct answer here is has been working. Yes, because he is only one. Okay? Crew has been working. Okay. For activity number 2, we have to complete the sentence. Yes. using the present perfect continuous again. These are a series of activities or examples, okay, for everyone to study later. Okay, so number one, the fishing boats. Blank, using the word cast their nets early this morning. So we will identify one by one. The fishing boats were in, this is plural, more than one. So what is the correct answer? It's have. All right. Since we are in continuous tense, we will add been. And for the word cast, we will add ing. So, this is the fishing boats, assuming there's one more boat here or on the other side. So, what is the correct answer? Have been casting their nets since early this morning. Early this morning is a duration of time. Okay? So, why have? Because this is plural. Been, because we are in perfect continuous. And casting, okay? We add ing, and we have here early this morning, duration of time. That is why the sentence is called present perfect continuous tense. Okay? Let's move on to number 2. Okay. The ship's crew blank the weather conditions constantly. The ship's crew blank the weather conditions constantly. This one. Okay? So what is the correct answer here? The ship's crew. It's, okay, there also have been monitoring. Okay? They've been monitoring the weather. Maybe them, all of them are also preparing for the weather. Okay? Right. Why, again, I'm sorry. Why have? Because there are many. They're plural. Okay? There are more than one. Been, because we are in the present perfect continuous. Okay? Why monitoring? Because we will add ing. Okay? Why constantly is the duration of time. Okay, next. Okay, these are the port authorities. Yeah, them. Examples, okay? The port authorities blank the incoming vessels for the past few hours. Okay, so when we say port authorities, it's plural. There are more than one. So the correct answer is have plus the word been for the present continuous, and for the truck we add ing. So the correct answer is, I'm sorry, there's still one more. For the past few hours is the duration of time. So the correct answer is have been tracking. Okay? The port authorities have been tracking the incoming vessels for the past few hours. Okay? For number 4. All right. Marine biologists. Okay, again, you can only see one marine biologist here, but let's just assume that there's one more here, biologist. Okay? So the marine biologists blank the coral, this one, the reefs, in this area for years. Okay. So marine biologists is plural. So we will use have, of course, plus the word been, because we are in present perfect continuous, and we will use we will add ing for the base form of the verb study, and for the duration of time is for years. Okay, so the correct answer is have been studying. Okay, the marine biologists have been studying the coral reefs in this area for years. Okay, for number 5 example activity or for number 5 question. Okay, it says here that the tugboats, assuming there's one tugboat here and there's another on the other side, so guide the large tanker into the dock. So, since tugboats is plural, the correct answer is have plus the word been for the present perfect continuous plus the ing here for the base form of the verb. Okay? Alright. So the correct answer is have been guiding. So the tugboats have been guiding the large tanker into the dock. Okay? That's our number 5 question. Okay. I will summarize some of the important tip or rule for the simple present tense. Okay? So when we say simple present tense, these are the actions that happens regularly. Okay. Now, the basic rule for simple present tense is for I, you, we, they, and the plural nouns. Okay? All this is what we call subject. Okay? Okay. All we have to do to form a simple present tense subject plus base form of the verb. Okay? For example, for the word I, let's say, I walk. Okay? When you say you walk. Okay. He or we walk. Okay. They walk. Okay. Those or for the plural nouns, yeah, it's they walk. So, the basic rule is subject, this one, plus the base form of the verb. You will not change anything. Okay? Alright? It's so very simple. That's why it's called simple present tense. What is happening now? Or what? Or regularly. Okay? Or like, for example, you plot, I moor. Okay? Those are examples for simple present tense. Okay? For the present continuous tense, okay, it is what is happening now. Right now, I'm talking to everyone. I'm presenting to everyone. Okay? So that is the correct or what that is a simple explanation for present continuous tense. But there is third person. There is what we call third person singular. Okay? Third person. The examples of this are he, she, and it. He for female, for the boy, for the man. For she, like me, I'm a girl, I'm a lady, I'm a woman. She. For it, for the things. Okay? Any singular nouns. For as long as it's only one singular. All we have to do here is to add S or ES to the base form of the verb. Okay? Did you understand? Did you get it, everyone? Okay. That is only for the third person singular. Okay? Now, there are also important things like for ending es, or yeah, for the words ending in es, for the verbs, I mean, like for the s, the words ending in s, like for example, for x, box, boxes, okay, for z, sh, or take, okay, all you have to do is to add es, okay, and then for the verbs ending in consonants, like y, all you have to do is to change the y to I and add es, okay, those are examples. And there's still one more, the do or does. Okay. When forming a question form, okay, you will use do or does for he, she, it, for does. For do, you will use I, you, we, and they. Okay? So, here, for example, for present continuous, yes, the subject, be form of the verb, it should be present, plus the present participle. When you say present participle, all you have to do is to add ing, right? For the base form of the verb. And for the be present, is, and are. Can you still recall, everyone? For the subject, these are all the subject. Okay? For the I, you will use am and add ing. Like, for example, I am steering. Okay. I am mooring. Okay. I am tying. Right? You can still recall? Okay. Or I am diving. Okay. Those are examples of present continuous. For the he, she, and it, you will use is and then add ing. Like, he is steering. He is plotting. He is mooring. Okay. 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 So we will go to the present perfect tense as we have discussed earlier for today. We have present perfect tense. It's what happened in the past and is still connected until now. Okay? That is what a present perfect tense. How are we going to use this? Subject plus have or has plus past participle. All we have to do is add ed. Okay? So for have, okay, it's plural. Okay? I, you, we, they, plural nouns. And for the has, okay, he, she, it, plus the singular nouns. Okay? Okay, here, another. Don't be confused, everyone, all right? For the present perfect tense, only this one and the ed. But for the present perfect continuous, all you have to do is to have also, but you will add the been word and the ing form of the verb. Right? You just add been because of the duration of time given or the period of time. Again, don't be confused. For the present perfect tense, okay, all you have to do is to to choose have or has plus the ed, past participle. But in the present perfect continuous, there is a period of time or the duration of time added plus this one, okay, and the ing form. Okay? So is it clear, everyone? Before we'll move to another presentation. Okay. So there's one more for the past simple tense. Okay. We will now discuss about past simple. Previously, it's present, right? So for now, it's going to be past simple tense. Okay? Past. It happened already. Previously. Or yesterday. Last week. Last year. Last month. Okay? It's past already. Or yesterday. Okay? So we used to talk about actions or events. Yes, that happened and finished in the past. Okay? Last Christmas, last lunar Chinese last Chinese lunar. I'm sorry. Last, what do you call this? Chinese New Year, last month. Okay? It's all past. Okay? It happened already or finished in the past. It's completed actions in a specific time. Okay? So, how are we going to form this? It's the subject plus the past tense of the verb. Okay? So, example. Only for regular verbs. Take note, everyone, okay? This is only an examples for regular verbs because as discussed earlier, there's regular, there's irregular. Okay. The ship sailed at dawn. Okay. Let's do this. Let's explain this one by one. We say ship. When we say the ship, it's only one, right? Okay. The verb here is sail. And since it is past tense, we add ed for the regular verbs only. And the duration, no. The time being mentioned is at dawn. Okay? So, the ship sailed at dawn. Okay? Look at the picture. Alright? Okay. Next example. We have subject plus past tense for regular verb. Look at the picture. It's really wrecked here, right? Maybe it's after the storm or there is a fire on board. Okay? Look what happened to the vessel, to the boat, to the ship. So it says here that the storm, okay, wrecked the boat. Okay? We add ed. Okay? What is the subject here? It's the storm. Okay? That's why we add ed because it's past. Okay? Why we also add ed? Because it is a regular verb. Okay? For next number. Okay. The submarine dived deep. Yes, assuming it's really deep. Okay? Because it's underwater already. So the subject here is the submarine. And the verb here is dive. We add only D. Okay? From the word dive. Okay? So if it is past tense, we add D or ED. for regular verb. Okay. So in the picture, these are the rescuers. Okay. So the subject was past tense verb. So the Coast Guard rescued the crew. Okay. The Coast Guard rescued the crew. For the past, we add ed. Okay. All right. For quiz number 1, we have here, we have to test your understanding or your knowledge about the topic. Okay? For past simple tense. Okay, it says here that the ship blanked the harbor early. Yes, there at the back. Maybe that's the harbor. Okay, this is the ship. So it says here that the ship blanked the harbor early. Okay, so what is the correct answer here? Okay, the ship left the harbor early. Okay, this is an irregular verb. Okay? For number 2, the sailors blank the boat to shore. Okay, look at them. Okay, they're rowing. So the sailors blank the boat to the shore. So what is the correct answer? Yes, it's rowed. This is an example of a regular verb. Regular, because we add ed. Okay? The sailors rowed the boat to shore. Okay? Next number. The storm. Look what happened to the pier, to the port. It's damaged already. So the storm blank the pier or the port. Correct answer is damaged. We add ed because this is considered a regular verb. The storm damaged the pier. Okay? So let's go over number 4. Okay. The captain blank orders to the crew. All right. So, what is the correct form of the verb here? Shouted. Yeah, by the picture itself. Okay. The captain shouted orders to the crew. Maybe there's an emergency here because the captain is already wearing a life jacket here. Okay? So the captain shouted orders to the crew. Okay, for number 5, the divers blank the sunken treasure. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divers here, and they blank found the sunken treasure. So what is the correct answer here? Found. So this is an example of an irregular verb. Okay? The divers found the sunken treasure. Okay? Okay. So here's another quiz. Okay. So the fishing boat blank returned with a large catch. So there you go. It's a large yes. So what is the correct answer here? Returned. We add ed because this is a regular verb. Okay? The fishing boat returned with a large catch. Yes, this one. Okay? For number 2, the engine blanks suddenly. Okay? The engine blanked suddenly. The correct answer is stopped. Okay? we add ed. Okay? It is a regular. Okay? So here, the waves, blank against the rocks. Okay. So, what is the correct answer? It's crashed. We add ed, so this is a regular verb. The waves crashed against the rocks. Okay? The lighthouse keeper blank on the light. The lighthouse keeper blank on the right. On the light. This one. So, turned. This is a regular, we add ed, regular verb. The lighthouse keeper turned on the light. This one. Okay? For number 5, they blank a new dock last year. Okay. So, the correct answer is built. Example of an irregular verb for the past simple tense. They built a new dock last year. Okay? Oh, we're done. Okay. So, hope everyone had a great time with me. Okay? So, all right. So, again, I have to say bye for now. And it's really my pleasure again, everyone, that I had a presentation of I've shown you uh, the lesson for today for our week 7, day 2. Okay? So you just go over again and again for the videos for further understanding. Okay? So bye for now, and I'll see you all a week after. All right? Because Teacher Elaine will be your teacher for next week. So hope you had a great time with me, and study your lessons, everyone. Okay? So, bye for now, and I'll see you soon after a week. Okay? Good morning.